Hello, I'm Judith Bryce and I'm the Head of Operational Support at the Welsh Ambulance Service, and this Breast Cancer Awareness Month I'm urging women everywhere to check yourself for signs and symptoms of this disease. I was diagnosed with breast cancer in 2012, just 1 week after I joined the Welsh Ambulance Service. I was devastated when I found a lump and I just knew it was going to be bad news. I had a procedure to remove the lump, but sadly had to have further surgery, including a mastectomy and reconstructive surgery. When my oncologist told me I'd need a mastectomy and chemotherapy, that was a very low point during what turned into a 6-year journey towards my recovery. Now, I'm not a vain person, but I distinctly remember standing in Tesco's and looking down at my jumper, which was covered in hair, which I'd lost because of all the chemotherapy. There were also some complications with my reconstructive surgery, which meant I needed to have 5 further operations in total, which was difficult, exhausting, not only for me, but for the rest of my family. I'm very grateful to them and also for the fabulous support that I had from my colleagues in the Welsh Ambulance Service. I'm fortunate to say that I'm breast cancer free now, and my message to women and men everywhere is to check yourself regularly for signs and symptoms of this disease. I can't emphasise enough how important this is to catch it in time. I might not be here today without having done so myself. Thank you.